TAQWallet, a versatile digital companion designed to tackle unexpected challenges in any environment. This tactical wallet goes beyond conventional wallets, integrating a flashlight, screwdriver, glass cutter, bottle opener, and carabiner eyelet. Crafted from aluminum, stainless steel, and nylon, it's built to withstand rugged use. TAQWallet also prioritizes security, featuring our RFID card protection alongside a strobe mode for emergencies. With up to 3 hours of light on a single charge, it's a reliable tool for various situations. All this functionality comes at an affordable price of just $75, a steal for the value it offers. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. A true survival pen is a multifunctional gadget designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency situations. It combines the functionality of a pen, flashlight, fire starter, and glass breaker in a compact and durable design. The pen uses waterproof ink and features a tungsten steel tip for breaking glass or self-defense. Its flashlight provides illumination in dark environments, while the fire starter enables survival in critical situations. With Endure, users can write, light, and break with confidence, making it an essential tool for adventurers and those prioritizing preparedness in unforeseen circumstances. The Wicked Laser's FlashTorch is a high-powered flashlight designed to illuminate your path with intensity. It boasts an impressive 4,100 lumens output, capable of lighting up the darkest nights with ease. Beyond its illumination prowess, it can also be utilized for various purposes, including signaling for help in emergencies, outdoor exploration, or even as a heat source for cooking in survival situations. With its durable construction and versatile functionality, the FlashTorch is a must-have tool for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone seeking reliable, powerful lighting in challenging environments. Here is the RADNA, a wearable gadget designed for personal safety and tracking. It serves as a life-saving tool for both adults and small children, also featuring a location tracking device for family pets. This compact device is worn on the wrist and provides real-time monitoring and communication capabilities. It offers peace of mind to users and their loved ones by allowing them to stay connected and ensure safety, especially in emergency situations. With features like GPS tracking and communication functionalities, our RADNA enhances safety and security for individuals and their families. Look at this versatile and insane shovel. The BAHA shovel is a multifunctional outdoor gadget designed for adventurers and survivalists. It integrates a shovel, axe, saw, hammer, and bottle opener into a compact and durable tool. Its versatility makes it ideal for various outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and emergency situations. The shovel's blade can be used for digging, while the axe and saw edges are handy for cutting wood. The hammerhead offers utility for pounding tasks, and the bottle opener provides convenience during relaxation. With its ergonomic design and multiple functions, the BAHA shovel is a practical companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Ever wished for a superhero in your backpack? Meet the Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape, your all-in-one savior for outdoor mishaps. This robust adhesive tape isn't just sticky, it's a lifesaver. Whether fixing a tear in your tent, reinforcing gear, or even fashioning an emergency bandage, this tape's got your back. It's durable, Weather-resistant design ensures reliability in the toughest conditions. Compact and lightweight, it's a must-have for adventurers, survivalists, and anyone facing the great outdoors. Don't leave home without it. You never know when you'll need to unleash your inner MacGyver. The creators of these pendants invites everyone to join them on epic journey to the realm of Asgard. Mjolnir Ti, the ultimate outdoor multi-tool, forged for Thor. Crafted from titanium, this compact marvel packs a punch with its hammer, pry bar, and nail puller functionalities. Its robust design ensures durability, while its lightweight nature makes it a breeze to carry. Need to tackle some DIY fixes? Mjolnir Ti has you covered. Whether you're pounding steaks, prying open stubborn lids, or pulling nails, this tool is your trusty sidekick. With Mjolnir Ti in hand, you're not just wielding a tool, you're channeling the power of Thor himself, ready to conquer any challenge that comes your way. Ever dreamed of being a tree-climbing lumberjack? Enter the Camillus Highlimb branch saw, your ticket to conquering lofty branches like a pro. This innovative tool features a unique design with a saw blade attached to a long handle, allowing you to reach and trim branches high above ground. Whether you're pruning trees, clearing trails, or preparing firewood, this saw is your go-to companion for elevated tasks. Its durable construction and sharp blade ensure efficient cutting, while its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. Plus, it comes with convenient carrying case, all for just $50. With the Camillus Highlimb branch saw, the sky's the limit for your outdoor projects. Unbelievable, but true. Meet the Camillus Carnivore X18 Machete, a beastly tool engineered for wilderness domination. Crafted with a titanium-bonded blade, this machete slices through vegetation like a hot knife through butter. Its versatile design boasts a serrated edge for sawing through tough branches and a sharp tip for precision cutting. Whether you're clearing trails, chopping wood, or preparing shelter, the Carnivore X is your ultimate outdoor companion. With its ergonomic handle and rugged build, it offers comfort and durability for extended use. Embrace the power of the wild with the Camillus Carnivore X Machete by your side. In 2021, there were roughly 415 million overnight camping trips worldwide, so the creators of TENTSFORMER found the perfect market. This innovative gadget can turn any camping experience into a luxurious retreat. With its inflatable mattress base and adjustable air chambers, it ensures a comfortable night's sleep. Measuring to 160 by 125 centimeters, it offers ample space, and for even more room, you can join to TENTSFORMERs together with a zipper. Lightweight and portable, it's the ultimate solution for campers seeking comfort and convenience. Upgrade your camping game with TENTSFORMER and join the millions enjoying outdoor adventures worldwide. Pure to Go, brought to you by Water1, leverages over 50 years of bottled water delivery expertise to deliver unparalleled water purification. This compact filter, available for $33, boasts a formidable capacity of 1,135 liters, purify at approximately 500 milliliters per minute. It eliminates bacteria, viruses, parasites, and more, ensuring safe drinking water anywhere. With a range of accessories, it's ideal for hiking, camping, and emergency kits. Whether from the trusted brand or its innovative filtration technology, Pure2Go is your go-to solution for clean water on all your adventures, combining convenience and reliability like never before. Here's a glimpse into modern crossbows. Behold the Steambow AR-6 Stinger II, a pistol crossbow that weighs just 1.2 kilograms when fully equipped, claiming the title of the fastest multi-shot crossbow available. It can empty a 6-arrow magazine in as little as 20 seconds during target shooting, with an arrow range of around 15 meters. Additionally, it offers ample room for upgrades, with pick-at-any rails for adding laser designators, flashlights, and other accessories. This cutting-edge crossbow can be yours for $300, combining speed, precision, and versatility for archers of all levels. Did you know? Eric Clapton once featured Zippo lighter clicks in a song for the movie Lethal Weapon 3. But that's just one cool fact about Zippo. Not only famed for making lighters, Zippo also crafts various tools like the Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman. This versatile gadget boasts an axe with a saw, hammer, and hook functions. Measuring 450 millimeters in length, with a 127 millimeters blade and a 381 millimeter saw blade, it's a powerhouse tool. Weighing under 2 kilograms thanks to its polymer handle, it's a lightweight champ, and at just $90, its price is a modest steal for outdoor enthusiasts. With a legacy of expeditions and campaigns, the British Empire's prominence until 1919 is unsurprising. Nelson's homeland compass epitomizes this commitment to quality craftsmanship. The project garnered impressive Indiegogo support, totaling nearly $224,000. Carefully curated, the compass boasts glow-in-the-dark dials and a protective case, ensuring durability against water and sand. Available in brass 112G or titanium 65 grams versions, priced at $37 or $45 respectively, it caters to diverse preferences. From its rich historical roots to its modern features, this compass embodies British excellence, offering adventurers a reliable tool for navigating uncharted territories with ease and confidence. Behold the Estream, a remarkable portable water-powered generator crafted by an American team of nomads. This miniature powerhouse brings electricity to previously untouched locations. Simply submerge the device, roughly the size of a water bottle, into the nearest stream, and its 6,400 mAh battery fully charges. With power outputs ranging from 2.5 to 5 watts, it caters to various needs. What's astounding is its mere 800 grams weight, starting at $180. Notably, it received acclaim from Kickstarter backers, raising over $140,000 and garnered attention from journalists, including Insider and The Guardian. This technological marvel redefines off-grid energy solutions for adventurers and emergency situations alike. Survival Laces, the ingenious solution for enhancing the gear of hikers, hunters, and fishermen alike. Straight from the USA, these laces combine rugged paracord with standard nylon, concealing additional features essential for survival. Within each lace hides a fishing line, tinder strand, and ferrocerium rod, ensuring you're prepared for any outdoor scenario. Available for just $15 per pack, these upgraded laces come in various lengths, catering to different shoe sizes for added versatility. Opt for the 122cm cord designed for hoodies and sweatshirts, available for an extra $6. With survival laces, you'll be equipped with a comprehensive survival kit right at your feet, ready for any adventure. Ready for more tech hilarity? Subscribe to TechZoo for tech gadget adventures. Let's explore together. Hit that subscribe button now.